today I'm showing y'all how to cut thigh cellulite. I'm going to use a variety. Start with this big one. I'm using whole body serum because it has a lot of slip. And you'll want to spread it so that the cups will easily move around. Squeeze the cup, place it on your skin, and you'll start moving it around like so. We're doing the inner thigh. And if you don't want to immediately get in there and start moving it around, well, you can warm up by pop cupping. Using this pop cupping technique where you place the cup on and off, on and off, like that, like so, pop cupping. And once you feel like you're ready to move on, let's say after about 20 to 30 seconds, depending on you, then you can slowly start gliding the cup around. Now, if you're anything like me, you've worked out a lot or you just have a lot of pain, well, you're going to start getting red. I don't know if you can see that. I have like an adhesion right here. It's pretty sore in here. So, woo! The more I move it, woo! The redder it gets. Remember, less is more. You don't need to overdo it. You can just carefully glide your cup. Now I can get a softer cup. This cup is much softer, and so it's going to have less grip, so it'll be more gentler. I can move that there. Instead, place it there instead, and it will be a little gentler cup because it's just so soft and flexible. And so there, it doesn't hurt as much. You can warm up with this cup for a little bit, either by pop cupping, or if you're a bit more advanced, I'm gonna do the pop, glide, and slide. These are all the different methods. And you know what? I feel pretty warmed up, so I'm just gonna start sliding this around. There. Just getting in there. You can do this about 1 to 3 times a week, depending on what your body feels like doing. Going circles, up and down. Okay, and now we're going to move on to the front of the leg. I'm going to put some more serum on. then we're gonna go to the outer thigh. See, right in here is cellulite because I haven't done any cupping in a bit. Actually, I haven't done much of any of my products because, well, it's a long story. I have a life. So, anyway, we're gonna move this cup around. Okay. Yeah, you can really feel it in here. It is just, woo. Remember, less is more. You never have to do too much. Just do what your body can handle. And I haven't done this in a while, so I'm super sore. Whoa. Lift. Lifting. You can let the cups sit if you want. And I'll show you. No longer than 20 minutes. Some people may have to let them sit less. It really also helps for muscle soreness. Okay, take them off. And there you go. Nice, beautiful. If y'all would like to see my before and after cupping for Cellulite playlist, I'll link them up above. Thanks y'all, bye.